Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer a Wix website to clients. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Wix account, okay, and choose which website you want to transfer to your clients. So if you have like designed a website for your client or you want to sell it or whatever, you can do that inside your Wix account. Now find the website that you want to transfer to your clients and then click on select and edit site. After, guys, you click on select and edit site, it will take you guys to Wix dashboard where you can make some changes here. Now what you guys need to do, you want to scroll down, as you can see, okay, scroll down and click on settings at the very bottom left. After, guys, you click on settings, you will find here a lot of options or features of Wix dashboards. You can see now you want to click here, it says roles and permissions, and it says here invite people to work on this site and set their permissions. Click on it, roles and permissions. Now as you can see, it says this is the owner of the site, which is me. As you can, this is the email associated with this site. Okay, now what we are going to do now, if you want to give this to the client, as you can see, the owner now is me, but after the end of this video the owner is going to be a new person. Now just click on change owner here, and what you guys need to do, you want to enter here the email address of the owner. Okay, of course they have to have like a Wix account in order to access the website that you are going to transfer to them. Now I'm going to transfer this Wix website to this person, as you can see, and as you can see, what would you describe them as? I would select them as a client or as an agency or freelancer or someone else. Click on continue. Now after that, it says here keep my role as owner of this site after transfer. If you still want to keep yourself on this site, you want to check this box. Okay, if you don't check this box, you will actually lose access to the site. You will not be able to see it on your site list. When you try to open your Wix account, you will not be able to see that site. Now if you check this box, the first one, you will still be able to be a co-owner of the site after transfer. Okay, you can also create a copy of this site and keep it in your account if you want. Now I'm not going to keep this, as I'm going to transfer full ownership to this person, so I'm going to click on continue. Now it says here, I confirm, understand that when I transfer this site to this person will be the new owner, including all the site data, media or third-party services and accounts. Okay, so if you have any questions, if you don't understand anything, please go to the comments and tell me exactly what you don't understand. I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. Okay, so after you are sure, click on transfer ownership. Now it says here transfer invite sent. The invite was sent to this Gmail, which is the Gmail of the person we want to transfer this site to. What's next? The new owner needs to accept the transfer via invite email. The invite expires in 3 days, so they have to accept the invitation before 3 days. Okay, you will get an email when the transfer is complete. Now if the person you are trying to transfer the site to, they have to go to their email and accept the invitation. It says here our Wix website is being transferred to you. Click on it, as you can see. Click on accept transfer here, and then the person has to have a Wix account so that they can access your Wix site, okay, that you have transferred to them. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can transfer a Wix website to a client. If this one, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, like I said, go to the comments and let me know exactly what you don't understand. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.